the blame that has been put on him, that he has encouraged terrorism. From none of his speeches, it looks to be true. As far as I have seen him, I have known him. Absolutely, I have not come across a single speech where he has encouraged the terrorists to do something. It's like, suppose we have a film actor in Bollywood by the name Amitabh Bachchan. So he has a huge number of fan following. Now tomorrow one of his fan goes and murders somebody or does something and he says, I was motivated by watching the movie of Amitabh Bachchan. You cannot immediately arrest Amitabh Bachchan for that. So in the same manner, if some terrorist has put a DP of Dr. Zakir Naik or something, so it can be okay because he's a public figure. But what is very important to understand is, did he really propagate terrorism? So I'm very sure from all the speeches that we can see, he has never propagated terrorism. Then we live in a country where the constitution of my country gave the freedom, like the American constitution gives the freedom to practice and preach your religion. So when you're preaching a religion, as a Muslim, I'm going to say, I believe in Islam because I think it is the best.